Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Marina Michael, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Commerce, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am dealing the paper International Financial Management for MCOM S3 students. Dear students, this is the sixth lecture of International Financial Management for MCOM S3 students. I am delighted to present the module 2, that is foreign exchange market. In this module, we are going to see exchange rate mechanism, exchange rate theories, that is gold standard, Bretton Woods system, fixed parity system, floating rate system, independent float, managed float, currency pegging, etc. and balance of payment and exchange rate. In this session, we are going to see exchange rate mechanism, that is ERM, and exchange rate theories, which are the exchange rate theories. Before going to exchange rate mechanism, let's see what do you mean by exchange rate, spot exchange rate, and forward exchange rate, etc. Exchange rate. It is the rate at which the currency of one country is exchanged for another currency. It is the rate at which currency of one country is exchanged for another currency. Then in a free market, demand and supply of the currency which determines the exchange rate. Exchange rate is affected by or determined by so many factors, but in a free market, demand and supply of the currency which determines the exchange rate. Spot exchange rate refers to the current exchange rate. Mainly there are two exchange rates, that is spot rate and forward rate. The spot exchange rate refers to the current exchange rate. The exchange rate between two currencies is the number of units of one currency per unit of other currency. The exchange rate determined in the spot market. The exchange rate determined in the spot market is known as spot exchange rate. It is the current exchange rate. These rates are determined by the demand and supply of the currencies being exchanged in the global foreign exchange market. The next is the forward exchange rate. It refers to an exchange rate that is quoted and traded today but for delivery and payment on a specific future date. In a retail currency exchange market, different buying and selling rates will be quoted by money dealers. The exchange rate agreed upon by the parties to a forward foreign exchange contract where the foreign currency is to be delivered in the future is known as forward exchange rate, which would be different from the spot exchange rate. Next is factors determining exchange rate. We already learned this, which are the factors determining exchange rate. That is demand and supply, balance of payments, differential in inflation rate, interest rate differential, public debt, political stability and performance. These are the factors determining exchange rate. Next is exchange rate mechanism. An important area of operation in the international monetary system is the exchange rate mechanism, that is ERM. To facilitate international transactions, currencies of different countries have to be exchanged for each other. For this purpose, the value of one currency in terms of other currencies have to be determined. The rate of exchange between two currencies is designated as the exchange rate. This rate depends upon the number of factors. The determination of the exchange rate is a difficult process. The methods and procedures used for exchange rate determination have varied from time to time. An exchange rate is the value of one currency in terms of another. The term exchange rate refers to the exchange rate mechanism, procedures and institutional framework for determining exchange rates at a point in time and changes in them over time, including the factors which induces the changes. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ എക്സ്ചേഞ്ച് റേറ്റ് മെക്കാനിസത്തിൽ വരുന്നത് എന്തൊക്കെ പ്രൊസീജിയേഴ്സ്, എന്തൊക്കെ മെക്കാനിസം, എന്തൊക്കെ ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷണൽ ഫ്രെയിംവർക്ക് ഉണ്ടോ ഈ എക്സ്ചേഞ്ച് റേറ്റ് ഡിറ്റർമിൻ ചെയ്യാൻ. അത് പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് ടൈമിലാണ് എക്സ്ചേഞ്ച് റേറ്റ് ഡിറ്റർമിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അത് ആ പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് ടൈമിൽ അത് പാസേജ് ഓഫ് ടൈമിനനുസരിച്ച് ഈ എക്സ്ചേഞ്ച് റേറ്റ് മാറി വരും. നമുക്കറിയാമല്ലോ ഇന്നുള്ള എക്സ്ചേഞ്ച് റേറ്റ് അല്ല കറൻസീസിന്റെ എക്സ്ചേഞ്ച് റേറ്റ് അല്ല നാളെ. ഇതെല്ലാം കൂടി ചേർന്ന ഒരു മെക്കാനിസമാണ് എക്സ്ചേഞ്ച് റേറ്റ് മെക്കാനിസം. ERM is a process by which member countries of an economic community maintain exchange rate parity among their currencies. The currencies are allowed to fluctuate with respect to one another within a specified time limit. ആ സമയ പരിധിക്കുള്ളിൽ നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് ഈ കറൻസീസിന്റെ എക്സ്ചേഞ്ച് റേറ്റ് മാറ്റം വരും. എന്തൊക്കെ പ്രൊസീജിയേഴ്സോ, എന്തൊക്കെ മെക്കാനിസംസ്, എന്തൊക്കെ ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷണൽ ഫ്രെയിംവർക്ക് ഈ എക്സ്ചേഞ്ച് റേറ്റ് ഒരു പെർട്ടിക്കുലർ പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് ടൈമിൽ ഡിറ്റർമിൻ ചെയ്യാൻ ആവശ്യമാവുന്നു. ഇതെല്ലാം കൂടി ചേർന്നതാണ് ERM, exchange rate mechanism. It is a device used to manage countries' currency exchange rate relative to other currencies. It is a device or it is a mechanism used to manage countries' currency exchange rate relative to other currencies. It is a part of an economy's monetary policy and is put to use by central bank. Central bank ആണ് ഈ എക്സ്ചേഞ്ച് റേറ്റ് മെക്കാനിസം കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Next, exchange rate theories. There are some theories that try to explain how exchange rates between the currencies are determined and also identify the variables that influence exchange rate fluctuations. Economists have put forth various theories to explain exchange rate determinants. The theories are mainly 5 theories are there. Exchange rate theories. First one, purchasing power parity theory. Second one, the Fisher effect theory. Third one, the international Fisher effect theory. Fourth one, in the interest rate parity theory. Then lastly, forward rate as unbiased predictor of the future spot rate. These are the theories explain different aspects of exchange rate behavior. I hope all of you have understood what I taught. Thank you and God bless you.